Food saved my life. And if it wasn't for the whole fine dining, culinary, food industry world, either I'd be doing life in prison or I'd be dead. My name's Fernando Ruiz. I've been incarcerated about 3.5 to 4 years of my life, and now getting ready to open up Palace Prime Steakhouse in downtown Sante Fe, New Mexico. I never would have thought I would have opened up my own restaurant. Never in a million years. Today, I'm excited to be making the bread pudding that we're gonna be putting on the menu and serving at the steakhouse at Palace Prime. My grandma used to make a bread pudding, and that's where I got the whole inspiration from the bread pudding. And basically, thinking of my grandmother with all those cinnamon flavors and the 3 milks combined with that bread. I started selling drugs at an early age, and next thing you know, I'm locked up doing time. When you're in there, they don't call you by your name. They call you inmate 3659991. And that always used to get under my skin. I picked up cooking in jail. That's where I got the passion for it. While I was in jail, I would have never dreamt that I'd be partner in a steakhouse here in Sante Fe. Dave's Killer Bread's mission is to give people second chances. After culinary school, a restaurant in Sante Fe took a chance on me, even though they knew I had a criminal record. I'm so grateful for that opportunity. Tres Leches bread pudding is one of my favorite desserts to prepare. The ingredients for the bread pudding is evaporated milk, regular milk, sweetened condensed milk, Dave's Killer Bread, white bread done right, of course, some sugar, pine nuts, and a little bit of butter. Nutmeg, cinnamon, and fresh vanilla bean. A lot of people use the extract, but I like to be able to taste the vanilla. You want to see those little beads of vanilla, and that actually makes a big difference. The white bread done right, I mean, just by the smell of it, it smells the way it's supposed to smell. The ingredients they're using, the organic spelt, quinoa, everything else that they're using in those breads represents, in my opinion, what bread should be. When most people come out, most guys come out of prison, come out of jail, they don't know how to adjust. Either A, their families are still there to support them, but then again, the families are enabling it if that guy or girl does not want to better themselves. And what is it, like 80% of the time they go back to what they used to know, back to their normal ways, because there's not a lot of opportunity. I control that temptation by slanging food instead of slanging drugs. Like, that's my drug. I like the satisfaction that people get off of eating my food instead of the satisfaction they were getting from them buying my drugs. This is the bread pudding that's gonna be on the menu at the steakhouse, and I still can't believe I'm saying that. I got second chances, 4 chances, 6 chances. I'm down to help other people, if they want the help. Because in all reality, it's up to them. It's not gonna be up to me or mom and dad.